Hi everyone, let's take a look to the movement controls in using the VR editor. We can change the direction that we are pointing to, moving the mouse when holding down the right button. By default, we can move freely around the model. We are on flying mode. If we are on top of a floor, we can switch to walking mode. And we can directly set our height in the control panel. We can move in three different ways. The first one is using the keyboard with the typical keys of most video games and 3D viewers. We move forward and backwards with W and S. We have lateral movement with A and D, and vertical movement with Q and E. The second way of moving is using the mouse scroll wheel to move forward and backward. Now we are moving more like a conventional 3D modeler, and not with the same smooth, constant speed like before using the keyboard. Holding down the scroll wheel and moving the mouse in transversal direction, we have the lateral movement. If we move in longitudinal direction, we have the vertical movement. When we are walking, even if we point up or down, we are always moving parallel to the floor. And the vertical movement is disallowed. We can change the default speed with the slider in the control panel. We can move a bit faster, or we can change to really slow speed, because for example, we are in a very small space. Let's leave the default speed. If we want just to be faster for some moments, we can press Shift. At the same time, we use other movement keys, or just combine using the keyboard with the mouse scroll wheel. Like with forward with W and now use the wheel, and we go backward with S and use the wheel again. The third and last way of moving is using double left click in any floor, and we just move to the point selected with walking mode on. This is quite convenient if we want to directly move to a faraway area. And from there, we can just use the normal controls to refine our position.